Hi Teresa, I'm great, thank you. I'm excited too. Let's start. What do you do on weekdays?
I am Beverly and from Livingston. Well, on weekends I get up early at 6:30 a.m. I have breakfast and then I study at the university and I am a full-time student. What about you?
On weekdays, I study in the morning too. Then I do my homework and study English in the afternoon.
I love pop music and love K-pop. They are very embarrassed. What is your favorite kind of music?
¿En dónde estoy? I study English from Monday to Friday from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. What do you do on weekends?
I love Peruvian food. I love ceviche, causa red noodles, and barbecue wings. I thought like eating apples, bananas, and triple sandwich. What about you? Yes, I do love chickens, salchipapa, fried eggs, and salad but I drink milk every time. Student, great, goodbye. See.